Pangalan mo rin?
Jojo.
And we'd like to thank our referees for today. It's Jojo and Dennis the Great. And now we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's Armos versus Raven for our tune-up game. First five on Armos. First five on Raven. Itak yung mga rapaganda rep, takin mo rin. Tatakin mo sila. Let's get to rumble. It's Armos against Raven. Ball game.
Let's go, Armos!
First position of Raven. Now Enzo. Nice first basket to throw. Rebound on Raven. Now Raven now, it's running, it's Garen, Jalen. Garen right, the ice out is foul. Foul on number 9 on Armos. First personal foul on Armos. First personal foul on number 9 on intercepted by Julan. It's jump ball, it's Raven ball, Raven. 9 minutes, score 0-all. And we're live on the Facebook page of NBA.com now. Stepping on the line on Armos, back-to-back for the election of Armos.
Leon! Enzo! Saan ka? Middle ka, Enzo! Middle!
It's Raven and Armos.
Leon!
And still Ryan. It's still again by Enzo. It's red ball. Armos ball.
Hit the ball! Baba! Hit the ball, Dodds! Ano boy?
Now it's Nukilio. Setting a play for Nukilio. Long ER. Rep. It's same ball. Oh, it's Raven ball as the referee decides. 8 minutes. Still our score 0-all. It's Armos versus Raven. Now Garen. Blocked by Enzo. Enzo now, it's Enzo. Enzo right, it's Enzo, 1-1, guarded by Ulan. Enzo fake, nice pass outside, he's still again on Raven. Now Raven is running. At that, Alan running. And now guarded by Alan for the shot. Rebound. Enzo. Now Enzo now. It's right. It's jump ball. Armos ball. Red ball. It's red ball.
Leon, what happened?
Let them out. 7 minutes. Too strong. Rebound is foul. Foul on number 28 on Enzo. Timeout on Raven. His first timeout of the game, and timeout is brought to you by Armos Fundamentals. Raven Basketballista. And Chooks to go, Abu Dhabi. Sa Hongkera. After the ball game, score 0-all. It's 3 minutes consumed for our first quarter. Armos versus Raven for our tune-up game. And the winner of this match will fight for the Junior NBA on NBA Wednesday.
Close now!
Short rebound. Got it. Nice foul. Foul on number 11 on Armos. 13 foul on Armos.
Stop ni Dion.
Basket time, basket substitution there ba?
Pag masyado tayo substitution.
Ha?
Pag masyado.
All Dion Sub.
Pag masyado.
Substitution up, substitution. First game, first shot. It's 1-0.
Here!
6 minutes.
Sub.
Sub. Inbounding Durilag Inso.
Settle.
Now Nukilio. Master number 1. Now drive, escape, drive, move. Nice block, it's foul. Foul on number 25. On Raven is first team foul on Raven. First personal foul. Against number 25, 2 free throw shots coming from number 1.
Adil.
1-1.
Got it.
And the score now is tie ball game, 1-1. 4 minutes consumed. Now Raven attack, Raven on the road, get it up. Again, it's Cardi by 3, 4, 5. It's time to yo! Now 3-1. It's 2-point lead on Raven. Now it's Sidilio. Will set the play. Sidilio, hesitate. Nukilio. Back to Sidilio. 10 to shoot. Blah! 8 seconds to shoot.
Like that.
Inbounding Enzo. 8 seconds to shoot. Sidilio. 1 and 1. Where are you? Too strong. Rebound on Raven. Now Raven is a giant versus Goliath. 1 and 1. Looking for Garen. He's still on alone. Attack. Too strong. Rebound on Nukilio again. Looking for the red shirts. Good enough. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Nukilio. Take. Shot. Whoa! It's all. Now the ball game is tied. 3-all. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. It's foul. Foul on number 31 on Sidilio. Warning for penalty on Armos. First against Sidilio.
Look, handsome lang. Go, Bishop! Good!
Same time, same shot, stop, hey, drive, nice pass, drive, oh, bang! Now 5 to 3, it's 2-point lead on Arrows. Lokelio, too strong. 2 minutes and 54 seconds. It's blue ball. Sub, substitution, sub. 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 5-3 our score.
Hey! Look! What happened to you, look?
Short. Substitution, sub. Insert. Tuck in. Two minutes and 25 seconds. Alan. Short. Rebound on Raven. Sigilo. It's foul. Foul on number 7 on Raven. It's Armos ball. Second team foul on Raven. It's Armos ball. Red ball.
Look! Bola, look! Defense!
Now Sigilo. Short. Too strong. Steal. Onanan. Now Garrett. Bang! Basket foul and one on Garrett. Foul on number 28. It's second on Enzo. 1 minute and 44 seconds. 5-all. Our score. 5-all.
Andre!
1 minute and 44 seconds.
Dudes, out! Dudes!
Short.
Andre! Yes!
Now it's foul. Foul on number 11 on Arben. It's 13 foul on Raven. 13 foul on Raven. Substitution of Sabrap. Dudes out.
Defense! Take Enzo.
Defense!
1 minute. Black. Whoa, it's 7-5. Now 2-point lead on Raven. 55 seconds. Sidirio. Enzo, it's foul. Sabrep. Foul on number 7 on Raven. It's warning for penalty on Raven. Sabrep, substitution. 45 seconds. Seconds. 25 seconds. Stepping on the line. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. 10. 4 seconds, 4 seconds.
Block the ball.
all. It's Armos versus Raven for our tune-up game.
Nice one, Andre. Andre.
Bata.
Andre.
Doon, speed up, speed up.
Andre.
Speed up.
Andre.
Tigilan pa lang, bago sister. Alam mo.
Tinawagan ako.
Blair. Nakabakasyon pa. Kaya ka, si Blair. Bakit speed mo siya?
Second quarter. It's Armos ball, Armos. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Red ball, red.
Urot dyan.
Steal. Nice move, fake. In and out. Same spot, too strong. Rebound again, Raven, too strong again. Stop, Raven again. Back to Alan. Short. Rebound. Again on the ones on the shirts. All on 0. First team foul on Raven. It's 7-all. 9 minutes and 31 seconds remaining time on our second quarter.
Champul eh, may champul.
Nine minutes. Steal. Rebound. Foul on number 10 on Armos. Arrest first team foul on Armos. This is our tune-up game. Armos versus Raven. And the winner of this match will advance to the Junior NBA tomorrow at Etihad Arena. It's Robin Melissa time out on Armos. First time out of the game, and time out is brought to you by Raven Basketball, Armos Fundamentals, Basketballista, and our two referees for tonight, Dennis the Great and Jojo. The ball game. Eight minutes and 20. Lewis. Shea. Nice pass. At wrong assist. It's 7-all our scores. Still 7-all.
Lapit, Hero!
Short. Oh, Shane. Now Shane, Barbie Shane, run, Shane. Run, Shane, run. Oh, he's good. Now running. Foul. Now number 5, on Armos, second team foul. On Armos, first on number 5. 7 minutes and 49 seconds.
Zero. Lose.
Basket substitution, basket substitution. Sabrap, substitution up. Now 8-7. 1 point lead on Raven. Sub, substitution up.
Lewis. Yero.
Out.
Run.
In.
7-8. It's 1 point lead now. Raven escape. Lewis looking for Shane. He's still again on Raven. It's 2-1. Raven. Pass to number. Oh, still. It's backing violation on. Time out. Six minutes. 8 against 7 our score. It's 1 point lead on Raven. And we like to greet our 1,000 viewers or basketballista. Thank you for watching. Ignacio. It's Arangues. Shane.
Take the ball,
40 to shoot. Ortiz is set back for Dean. It's foul. Stepping on the line against Armos. Raven ball. Substitution, tie rep, substitution. Sub. Edward out. Number 5 out.
Run. Keep it. Go, run.
Barbie run, Barbie run. It's Raven ball. Same ball. Oh no, blue ball. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Armor still 0 on the second quarter. 8 against 7. It's 1 point lead on Raven. Steal, 1 and on. Drive, Grenade by 3. Attack, 1. Escape, stop, pump, is foul. Foul on 0-0. It's second personal foul on 0-0. Second team foul on Raven. 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Basket substitution up.
Yeah, maya. Tsaka na rep, second up. Diyan na, Brad. Osmo? Post mo to? 6? Ha? Layo na kayo, good? Layo na emotion. Ano na doon?
Good ball, good ball! Put down the ball! It's blue ball, 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Defense on Armos, defense on Armos. Blue ball, blue.
Ilan? Nakakalaban nyo.
Nice call for the rep. Nice call for the rep. Rebound for Rangers. Time out on Raven. It's 8-7. 1 point lead on Raven.
Hindi ka matilap sa liga. Kausar ka sa liga lagi. Kausar ka ni Apil.
Sir, red ball tayo.
Easy. Pero sa mga mag-presidente. Asa trabaho de? Ha?
Active tayo.
Sa'yo? Wala na kayo sa pawan. Huwag nang mabag-urong.
2 minutes and 43 seconds.
Dapat referee ang highlights sa
Fourth to shoot. 10. It's foul. Foul on number 10 on Armos. It's 13 foul on Armos. 1 minute and 53 seconds. 8 against 7. It's only 1 point lead on the blue shirts. Raven. Now 9-7, 2 point lead now on Raven.
Hey, defend, change, Ryan, defend, change, Ryan.
It's 1 of 2. Again, blue shirts, 1 minute and 40 seconds. On our second quarter, it's our first match, first game for our beginners. Our most fundamentals on Raven basketball.
Ano na po nisa?
Yan na po, la Jojo. Kami na tarang big yan. Yeah. Sa ako, may 6 star ba?
Oo, gani. Ako gitawat ito ilano.
Sa Jojo?
La Jojo, kay ito magito akong taguntong.
Hited naman kong kagod.
1 minute 8 seconds. It's warning for penalty on Armos.
Sub. Here.
Uy, come here.
Sub.
Sub. What number?
Ryan, number 10. Ryan.
Sub.
Oh, basti. Ano boy? Focus. Wakaw Wakaw kayo.
Nag-chismis ka.
Miss pa.
58 seconds, 58.
Hana, papantay na.
Now, 10-7, it's 3-point lead now on Raven Basketball. 30 seconds.
Go! Go, 20 seconds!
25 seconds. Short. 20 seconds.
Anan. Take the ball, Anan. Take the ball.
Yan, get the ball!
Where you going, Ayan?
Go na yan!
And on for second quarter, our score, it's 10 against 7. All round.
Jump there, babe. Jump.
Short.
Nice! Shot! Shot!
Usmanov. Foul number 2. 28.
Beb.
On
Ba't pa, Jude?
Ryan. 2 free throw shot coming from Enzo.
90. Pao na ako ng charger ni.
Chay mo ang kuha, no ka na.
Kaliya kami lo.
Enzo! Enzo!
Hindi nga po din mga audience, wala nga mga audience.
It's blue ball. 10-7. It's a 3-point lead on Raven. This is our first game for our tune-up game. And the winner of this game will advance to the Junior NBA tomorrow at 12 o'clock midnight.
Hero, look how the defense.
8 minutes and 45 seconds. Karen. 40 to shoot. Steal. 10 to shoot. Steal again. 5 seconds to shoot. Second violation. It's 24-second violation. 8 minutes and 23 seconds. It's Armos ball. Armos.
Bagang tiripon ko, no? Bagang sita ko, no? Ayun, ako nakita ko, may abang.
Ha?
Pero sa central, kanay park ka ba ng park? Bakit? Ayun.
Ako ay kita.
Pila ka nang buo, 20 orientar na buo.
7 minutes and 40 seconds. Garnet. To Garnet. Time to shoot. It's 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Seven minutes and 10 seconds. It's a 3-point lead on Raven Basketball. 5 to shoot. Bang! Now 12 to 7. It's 5-point lead on Raven. Short. Rebound. Same ball, and we like to thank our sponsors.
Rio, Badong, malangit yung mic ko.
6 to go. Chippy. Sub.
Silok.
Mang Inasal, Abu Dhabi.
Nice.
14 to shoot. It's Armos ball, Armos. 6 minutes. It's just a 5-point lead on Ribbon. Ball. Stop.
Number.
Diyon.
11 hats. 11.
Patok!
Ronquillo.
Sabi Papaw, yun na, attack tayo.
Steal down, Ribbon. It's foul. Sabrep, foul on number 91 on Armos. It's second personal foul on Ronquillo. Sabrep, sub. Adel out.
Wala na yan. Sa...
Yo, it's violation. Armos ball, Armos. 5 minutes. 12 to 7, still 12. Against 7, it's 5-point lead on Raven basketball. Inzo. Guided by 2. 14 to shoot. Time out on Armos. It's 4 minutes and 39 seconds. 12 against 7. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, TP, Chuksu, Armos Basketball, and Raven Basketball. After the ball game. Four minutes and 38 seconds.
Hindi ko alam kung mga pandri, panguha kung gano'n. Patalong ka sumahan. Sirip ng kwarta.
Steal! Steal again! Steal! Short! It's 3 minutes! 3 minutes!
Babae do?
Fourteen to shoot! All on number 12. The second team ball on Armos.
Nice, Andre!
2 minutes.
Enzo.
Got it! Short! It's foul. Sub, ref, sub, ref, sub! One minute and 29 seconds, 7 to 12, 5-point lead on Raven. And we'd like to thank our viewers, 1,000 viewers. Sub, ref, sub. We have 1,000 viewers from the Philippines. Congressman Eduardo Cuauco, Nancy Binay,
Wait.
35 seconds. It's foul. Who's conceded foul on number 91 on Kirio. 26 seconds, 26.
Watch the lane, Adel.
Dali mag-anticipate na ano?
10 seconds.
Tara, Ludes!
And now our third quarter score is 12 against 7. Fourth quarter, ready tara, fourth quarter.
Coach. 6 na. Wala pa, second game pa tayo. Yun na. Second game pa. Coach. 6 na. Second game pa tayo.
Rep, ball game rep. May second game pa tayo. Raven ball.
Defense!
Raven ball, defense on Armos. Last quarter. Then our next game, for our professional game, it's Armos Agosto and Raven.
I got the ball!
10 to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot. 5. 24 shot clock violation, 24 shot clock violation. Now Sidillo.
Pakiat!
Sidillo, now 9-12. It's a 3-point lead now on Raven. Darren. Same ball. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Last quarter.
Get the ball!
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Run, Barbilan. seconds to shoot. 5. 24 shot clock violation, 24. It's 9-12. Still 3-point lead on Ribbon. 8 minutes, 8. Sabrap.
Ano boy? Ano? Defense. Get the ball.
Defense! Defense! Get the ball!
Get the ball.
Get the ball!
Go, get the ball.
Steal the ball!
Kunin mo bola.
Steal the ball!
It's foul. Sabrap. Foul on number 19 on Armos. It's first on Armos.
Ilang yan?
Second personal foul on number 19 against Armos. It's 7 minutes and 22 seconds. 12 against 9. It's still 3-point lead on Raven Basketball. This is our beginner's game.
Wait. Our ball. The ball.
Again, we'd like to thank our sponsors,
Ano boy?
Armos Fundamentals, Raven Basketball,
Guna.
6 to go, Abu Dhabi, Magnolia Fried Chicken, and Lulu.
Gig. The boys defend.
Shane Blacano!
Oh, get the ball. Get the ball. Ano boy, get the ball.
14 to shoot! Same ball, same. Substitution, Sabrap. Substitution, sub. This is his last quarter. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Sabrap.
Ano boy?
Substitution.
Ano boy?
Drink water.
Pahinga! Breathe!
Ayaw bula.
Shane. Stepping on the line. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Last quarter. 12 against 9. Only 3-point lead by Raven Basketball. Foul number 23, Shea. Timeout! On Armos, it's 4 minutes and 23 seconds, 9 against 12. And timeout again is brought to you by Raven Basketball, Armos Fundamentals.
Sitaw ka? Ha?
DJ.
Hindi, sitaw ka?
Gimbal.
And also sponsors for Gimbal. 9-12. Back to the ball game. 9-12. It's 3-point lead on Raven.
Silat. Shot ka. Brown na ba ito? Isang bulto na.
4 minutes. Foul. All on number 7 on Raven. Penalty. Both teams now penalty.
Number 11, tell number 11.
Both teams now in penalty. All teams now 10 positive. Sub.
Number 11, Kimayan.
Both teams now in penalty. Both teams now have time out left. And both teams is 12 against 9. It's Raven Basketball by 3. And our next game for our professional game, it's Armos Steel versus Raven.
Oh, attack! Masuk lah, masuk.
Sub rep, sub rep. Sub. Sub. On time out. Last time out of the game.
Akala mo ano?
Kala ko kami.
Yan mga kan, mga patalo mo. O sa end, talo talaga.
Two minutes and 40 seconds.
Uy! Isa-isa ha! Sila may pasulat, hindi ko sabutan ng agi nila.
Two minutes and 39 seconds. Short.
Go and sit!
It's Raven ball. It's 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Last quarter.
Ano na sila gilista dito? Wait, sa... Igita pa, napayo ba niya? Lalay na agi, di ko sabutan na. Ang matawagon.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you.
Dribble!
1 minute and 45 seconds.
Defense!
1 minute and 30. 5 seconds to shoot.
Go, Andre! Go, Luke!
Sa next game po.
Raven Club, it's 1 point lead on Raven. 1 minute. 1 minute remaining time. 12 against 11.
Coach!
47 seconds, 47. Rep. Palabasin mo yung rep. Rep. Yung tao din sa puste, palabasin mo. Yung rep na yan. Sub. Stay there. Not there, in the ring. We have a chair there. You stay there. 47 seconds, 47. It's 11 against 12. 1 point lead on Raven. This is a championship game. Championship match. For our beginners category. 35 seconds. Foul. Penalty. Both teams now in penalty. 11 to 12. 1 point lead now on Raven.
Watch me over time kaya.
1 minute.
Go, Enzo!
Shoot dalawa!
Cheer, Daddy. Where's the Daddy? Cheer, Daddy.
Isa lang, Enzo!
32 seconds, 32.
Isa lang, Enzo! Left, right, Enzo! Enzo, right, to the ring.
Come on. If you miss it, at least
Out. Penalty ref. 26 seconds. 26. Penalty ref. Bola ref. Kunin bola ref.
2 shots, Adil. Take your time, ha? If not shoot, tungkol.
Pwede ba hindi na muna?
Handicap. Wala uniform.
Kaya nga. Para lang i-shoot! Ay, upat yun eh.
Adil.
26 seconds. 26.
Elsie, box out.
Bigay ref.
Got it. Rebound, ha? Rebound.
Pagod!
Box out. Andre, box out. Box out, Andre.
21 seconds. 21. Penalty ref. Bigay bola ref. 2 free throw shot for Garen. Got it.
640. 640. 21.
21 seconds. 21.
Take your time, Karen.
Andre, box out.
Ayan. Rebound.
Nice, box out.
Time out. Oh, nervous.
Wala.
Hindi na alam ni Nico. Rattlesnake, guys.
14 na. 14 mati kay 14.
Isa na lang ba?
Let's go, Marcos. Let's go.
Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Red ball. Red.
Let's go!
13 seconds.
Defense. Look, defense. Look, defense. Look, defense.
10. 8 seconds. 8. Penalty ref. Penalty.
Adil.
8 seconds.
Ryan, I need your rebound there. And then, go outside.
Stop there. Stop.
Stop.
8 seconds. 8.
Adil, take your time.
Box out. Box out.
Oh.
Elijah, rebound.
8 seconds. 8.